How do you make friends when you're traveling? Well, here's what I do. I just start talking to people. And sometimes it works. Not everybody's going to want to talk to you, but some people will. And they'll appreciate the fact that you spoke up. Like I just talked to two nice gals from Washington State, and I said, what was your favorite thing to do here? And they told me something that I wouldn't have done. So I am at Bell Rock in Sedona, Arizona, and I just wanted to share that with you about making friends when you're traveling. You can go to meetups. You can be bold and talk to people. It doesn't matter about the response, because sometimes you'll meet a friend that you're going to keep for the rest of your life. I've got friends in Italy and you know who you are, Anna and Giulio. So just keep trying, having fun, enjoying. Hi! And just take each moment as it comes. You never know. I was at the shoe store, and nice looking guy said, well, how are you doing? It was just so friendly. So you just never know what's going to happen next. Enjoy every bit of your day.